Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acclimatize. 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 Acclimatize is a verb that means to adapt or become accustomed to a new climate or environment, especially one with different conditions. It implies the process of adjusting to these conditions over time. Here are some examples. Example number 1. When traveling to high altitudes, it's crucial to acclimatize slowly to prevent altitude sickness. Why acclimatize is used in example number 1. Acclimatize is used to emphasize the importance of gradually adapting to high altitudes to avoid altitude sickness. Example number 2. Before the expedition, the climbers spent several days in base camp to acclimatize to the thin air and extreme cold. Why acclimatize is used in example number 2. Acclimatize highlights the necessity of spending time in base camp to adjust to the challenging conditions of high altitude and extreme cold. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.